Hey guys, I'll be opening up a box of Pokemon Evolutions today. I'll get this done pretty quickly, hopefully. Don't have too much time to do this today, so I'll get this done. I'll probably go through a few of the commons at the start, but then I'll just leave the box there. Okay. I do have a master set of every card, including the reverse hollows. Now, green cards, so nothing great out of this packet. I do have a master set including reverse hollows, so these would just be doubles. Okay, so Weedle, Magikarp, Energy. Ooh, nice. Hollow Energy. Need another one of those. Farfetch'd Rare. Okay. I'll put these to the side. Okay, green card. Green cards mean that you're only likely to get a non-hollow rare. What do we have here? Well, double colors. Need that. Onyx reverse hollow and a Starmie regular rare. So yeah, the green code cards, if you don't know, are so you kind of get a regular rare or a break card, usually 2 break cards per box, but it can always change, I guess. In my experience, I've opened up a whole case, so my experience, I've only really ever got 2 break cards. Okay, so Magikarp, Drowsy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Nidorino, Professor Oak's Hint, Charmeleon, Reverse Magikarp, and a Mewtwo regular rare. I've opened up about 9 boxes of the Japanese CP6, so the Japanese version of this. I think I like the Japanese better. Japanese cards better. I saw white code card, so that means a hollow or rarer. Double colorless. I need more of these. I wouldn't mind. That looks like a good card. Metapod, Trainer, Hitmonchan rare reverse, and a Mega Pidgeot EX. Nice. I think I've got about 3 of those already, 4 maybe, including the one I keep in my folder. Okay. Maintenance, Coughing, Professor Oak. Another Hollow Energy, Dark Energy. Okay, there we go. Rare. I might just keep the rares off into that pile. There. Might leave these down here. Another green card. Okay. Maintenance, Brock's Grit, Super Potion, a Choke reverse, and a Farfetch'd. White code card. Okay. Oh, and a Charizard holo. Oh, can't get enough of that card. I think I've got about 5 or 6 of these now. Okay, let's keep going. Not sure if I'll be able to get... I might only be able to do half or maybe a quarter of this box. I'll see how I go. Okay, so Poliwag and Dewgong. White code card. Okay. Honda. Clefairy rare reverse, nice. And a Zapdos holo. There we go, like that. And okay. Pokedex, Paragon, ooh, Steel Reverse Energy, nice, and a regular rare Electrode. Ooh, I think there's a break card in here. I'm pretty sure it is a break card. Ooh, yeah, I think that's right there. Yeah, there we go. And Nidoking break with the Beedrill regular rare. Okay, so I think I'll leave it there for now, and I'll probably do a second video showing the rest of these cards. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe.